The evolution of orthodontics has been closely linked to the development of new materials and techniques, transforming both clinical practice and device design. Technological advances have enabled the use of more efficient, aesthetic, and comfortable appliances, promoting individualized treatments better adapted to each patient's needs. Therefore, the orthodontist must master the principles of biomechanics, understand the interaction between tissues and materials, and select the most suitable device, ensuring safe practice supported by scientific evidence. Orthodontic appliances are classified as fixed or removable. Among the fixed options are metal and aesthetic brackets, archwires, tubes, and auxiliary devices. Removable appliances include active plates, clear aligners, and retainers, useful in comprehensive treatments, as well as specific functional corrections. In all cases, understanding their biomechanics, indications, limitations, and usage protocols is essential to achieving predictable and personalized clinical outcomes. Properly applied orthodontic appliances not only contribute to dental alignment, but also enhance masticatory function, help prevent temporomandibular disorders, and support the harmonious development of the stomatognathic system. Likewise, the aesthetic benefits derived from orthodontic treatment strengthen the patient's self-esteem and overall well-being, reinforcing its integral therapeutic value. Today, knowledge about materials and devices must remain continuously updated. Emerging technologies such as 3D printing, computer-aided design, CAD/CAM, and digital analysis systems have revolutionized orthodontics, demanding ongoing training to apply technical resources with precision, efficiency, and patient-centered focus.